These are my greens. It's my house. I will make them the way I want to.
Hey, Big Daddy Plants here. Collard greens, let's talk about them. They're in season between January and April. Translation, they'll be a little bit more tender when you cook them. This particular recipe you can enjoy all year round, I guarantee. It's healthier and tastes better than anything you've ever tried. Hey, before we go any further, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's go.
Collard greens are the new kale. This little girl checked me out. She said, "Ma'am, did you know that collards are the new kale?" I said, "Honey, did you know my family cooks collard greens in bacon grease until they oink and they no longer resemble vegetables?"
Well, where's the pork knuckles? Where's the smoked turkey booty? Where's the squirrel intestines? You know, I'm like, this is a vegetable dish. These are my greens. It's my house. I will make them the way I want to. Butt out! These are my greens. But let me tell you something.
Yeah.
They get out of here faster than they get in here. So it's a gift.